Hi, this is Bryan with Custom Classics here in Island Lake, Illinois. Behind me we have a 1967 Maserati 4000 coupe. This was purchased at an auction by one of our very good customers and has come here for a complete full nut and bolt restoration. During the process, once we get done with the photos, which is what we're doing in here, and then we'll document everything, and then the car will slowly start to come apart. Stuff like the drivetrain is going to be sent out to Italy, back to Italy, to be restored. The suspension and the rest of the body will all be done here. At this point in time, I think the owner intends on keeping the interior original. We might do stuff like carpeting, but the interior on this thing shows very nice for being a 1967. The other interesting thing about this car is the paperwork. We've got all the paperwork on this car that's been certified by the Maserati Spa. Several different certifications. I think there's 3 or 4 of them authenticating its paperwork, its build sheet, its entry into the US, coming into New York. So a lot of cool stuff that some of these owners really like to have. And it brings the value up on a car, especially like this one, where you've got original drivetrain and everything about it. This car is in exceptionally good shape. It does have a little bit of rust. It's an aluminum body. So there is some rust throughs on here that'll have to be cut and redone. But all in all, for 1967 and for a car like this, it's in overall phenomenal shape. As you'll get to see and look around on the web as we post these before pictures, you'll get a good idea of what kind of condition it's in. For Maserati, this is really a sexy car. It will be phenomenal once we get done with it. Some of the stuff that we've started with is really horrible and cost a fortune to redo when you get a car like that. But something like this that's so complete really makes it easier on us to tear it down, bag and tag everything, and then go through the process. This car will probably take 24 months, and we plan on diving in here very soon. Within the week, we'll be into this car as soon as we're done here doing all our pre-shoots in this room. So there you go. Take a good gander, and you'll be seeing a whole lot of photos as we slowly get through this one and turn it into a showstopper once again.